In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a couple of features of the pen tool. So it's over here and it looks just like a pen. So with this, the plain variant or the plain pen looks just like a plain pen. I can adjust the size with my menu up here and make it a little bit thicker each time. I can change the amount and I can change the opacity. So this is just how much it's coming out. So if I go down to 50%, you'll see that it's a little bit more transparent, a little bit lighter. Now, one of the fun things with the pen tool is that there are a couple of different types of pen. So the sketchy one's really fun. Now, if I move a little bit faster, I get more of an artistic stroke going right there. So that's kind of fun. I can also try the parallel one. This one's really cool because it draws parallel to it. Here is the trail. So you can play around with the different types of pen that are in here, and each one does something slightly different. So play around with those for a little bit. I can change the color over here with my color picker, and I can go to yellow. I can choose any other colors that I might want and keep just drawing over anything that's already been there. So play around with them, have fun. The crayon is a lot of fun too. And again, you can adjust the width, the size, so that's how many pixels wide your marker is, etc.